Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin using Etrade. In this video, we will walk you through the steps needed to get started with investing in Bitcoin through this platform. First, you will need to create an account on Etrade if you do not already have one. Visit their website and sign up by providing the necessary information, including your name, email address, and other personal details. Once your account is set up and verified, you can fund it with your bank account or another payment method. Make sure you have enough funds to purchase the amount of Bitcoin you want. After funding your account, log in to Etrade and navigate to the trading section of the platform where you can search for Bitcoin or the ticker symbol associated with it. Next, select the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy. Etrade will display the current market price, and you can decide whether to buy at market price or set a limit order to buy at a price of your choosing. Review your order carefully and proceed to confirm your purchase. After your order is executed, your Bitcoin will be in your Etrade account. You can view your holdings and monitor the price of Bitcoin directly on the platform. Remember to keep an eye on market trends and consider your investment strategy carefully. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin using Etrade.